Now let's look at setting up deductions. Let's go to our junior staff pay grade, and underneath our junior staff pay grade, let's set up a benefit here. So we'll set up a benefit for fuel and give an amount of say 400, and we're going to enable it and save it. Great. And so anyone who is an employee or a staff with a pay grade junior staff will be automatically entitled to the fuel allowance. Now let's also set up a deduction. Medical insurance, and let's indicate that this is taken as a flat amount from monthly pay, and let's say it is an amount of 50 cedis. Now the assumption here is that this particular pay grade is entitled to medical insurance of about 2,000 cedis. 2,000 cedis a year. Now the company is going to pay a part of the medical insurance, but a part is also going to come from the personnel's salary, and it's going to be about 600 cedis. So I've just calculated here 600 cedis divided by 12 is going to be 50 cedis a month, and then the company is going to top up with 1,400 cedis because it's 2,000 cedis in total for any employee that is a junior staff. Great. So on the basis of that assumption, we're setting up a monthly flat deduction of 50 cedis. Here in the rate type, notice there's also percentage. What this means is a percentage of the overall salary that is deducted. So you can also do that. We'll try that kind of deduction setup later on. For now, let's finish the setup. 50 cedis. We can indicate if it's a recurring deduction, which means anytime you run the payroll it should apply, and then we're going to enable it. Great. And we can give it a deduction code. We can give it a deduction code, say MI, because this will show up on the payslip. Alright, let's save it. Great. So here we have a benefit for fuel, and then we have a deduction for medical insurance. Okay, so let's go ahead and for our existing data, let's update the pay grade from intern to junior staff, and let's save that. Wonderful. So you can see that here, as always, the basic salary is the minimum salary defined for the pay grade. You can always go and customize it by going into basic salaries, and you can see here that the PAYE schedule, the PAYE is pay as you earn schedule, is showing us that after making SNIT deductions, Social Security Fund deductions, you have a gross salary of this amount, and then when you take out the income tax from the gross salary, you have a net salary of this amount. In addition to the net salary, it's telling us that there are benefits, 400 cedis worth benefits that will go to this employee, and then there are deductions, 50 cedi deductions that will be made.